going back at it with the Honda Civic today, and what I got in the mail is the part that supposedly I need, which is that. Of course, not really sure if this was Amazon or eBay special, but Tuka Rest, never seen that before. Perfect service though, that's what I'm looking for. I'm gonna open this up for the first time, see what's in here. Looks like the right gasket. Ooh, padding. I like padding. That's always good. Nope, that didn't work. I'm just gonna shake it. Yep. Just gonna swift it. Shake it off. Alright. Doesn't look like the pintle is broken, so that's good. Now we just gotta, well, put that somewhere first. Pop the hood. And, give myself a little bit of room. So, this puppy in service mode. Not that one, but alright. That should give us more than enough room. I just gotta actually, like I said, I gotta scoot that back, so I'm just gonna drive it back. I got a few feet back there, I can scooch it up. What? Listen to this. It actually sounds pretty smooth right now. Last time I started it and it was like 40 degrees out and it didn't like that, which I think it demands more EGR at that point. I could be wrong, but it didn't like it and it was all bumbly right from the start. This time it's about 70 degrees out right now, and yeah, it's started fine. So I'm gonna back this up a little bit and start tearing this thing down again. Sweet. I just had to Dukes of Hazzard myself out of the car. I forgot that the tire was right there. The mileage is 224,845 as of this moment. Actually, we're not going over here. We will be right in that area. Unfortunately, last time I think, I could be wrong, but I think I used RTV just to make sure it wasn't an air leak of any sort nearby there. But this is what I'm going to be using today is a wobble head and a 12. Unplug that nice and gentle. I don't know if I'll be able to get this socket down in here. Just might. I think I'm going to have to get my smaller socket. I don't know how many people know this, but there are different sizes. This is a short well 12 versus the mid well 12. And then you have the deep sockets that everybody knows. Like, but that little bit right there is going to help me get down into that little corner. Just tap that wobble, and that should sneak right on there. Give me exactly what I want. Different companies have different lengths, but keep that in mind if you're ever working on something in a tight area. You might need a different socket. Got it. So I just take it over with it. And there you have one bad EGR valve. So I'm gonna replace that with the new one right here. That should work out fine, hopefully. Pretty sure this should fix the issue. Love that. Switch it on now. And light went out. The connector went on. Got to charge my phone, clear the code, but I think that's ready to go, or at least test drive it for now. Which case, I need to go to the store anyway after I wash my hands. That was really simple. Just the 2 bolts. Sorry you can't really, I don't have a flashlight on right now, but you can see the 1 bolt right there, and the other is on the back side right there. And that's it. There was a gasket there, but the gasket was okay on that one. I've already replaced it like 4 or 5 times. That one should be fine. I do have the new one still in the thing, so if there's a small other issue with it, then fine, I'll replace that, because it's super quick to do this. So hopefully the test drive goes well. I'll let you guys know. Definitely. Gotta start getting these projects out of here. And like I said, that one's on there, and I am ready to actually, what I'm going to end up doing is going in there and taking those 2 bolts off of there for the catalytic converter to the header, and I'm going to drop that, see if I can wiggle it down and push it down just enough to get a true eyeball on what is going on that side, because I do think that is just the right side or American passenger side of the vehicle to actually that side of the motor that it seems like it's smoking. Hopefully it's not a head gasket and it's just that O2 sensor, but that one's getting ready to get started as well. But I gotta do some moving around the cars, move my car out the way, get this one down the road, test drive it, see if it's gonna mess up or not, and go from there. But thanks again for watching. I'm gonna start getting some things moving here. I got a couple cool ideas going that I think would be awesome that involves that, if I didn't say that before. And it's nice to have a refrigerator as well, but I really want to do something with that and show you guys. But until the next time, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys.